Now let's look at this huge text. I'm gonna clip this text off. So this with the div that it contains, let's call this small element. This overflow really works when there is a fixed width. And now the fixed height. See what happens. Now the text inside the div, see the text inside this div is really huge, right? So this div of height 500 pixel couldn't accommodate that text, so it overflowed. So that is what this property is. Overflow visible is the default property. So even if you don't mention it, that's what is going to happen. But if you say overflow is hidden, whatever exceeds this div is being clipped off. It is being cut off. So that's what hidden does. There's something called auto. See what auto does. Auto pretty much allows you to clip it, but it's actually not clipped. I mean, it doesn't let's overflow, but it then just keeps it inside and lets you scroll. This is a very good experience. But other than that, let's see if overflow y works. Overflow y is this behavior, right? Top to bottom. So we'll have a width of 300 pixels. Overflow y works. This is y. Okay. See, the text is being hidden. That's it. Overflow excess hidden. X is pretty much this, right? So overflow auto, even overflow auto X, which should be this way, behaves like overflow Y. Overflow X Y. Let me try overflow Y as auto and overflow X as hidden. Let's see if that would make any difference. No, the X is pretty much hidden. It's been clipped. Y is what you have for the scroll. So the scroll seems it is available on the horizontal side.